In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to predict capacity in ClickUp using workload views and dashboards. We're going to set up capacity in your workspace, then apply it so you can clearly see who's at risk of overload and who has room to take on more. Start by opening your ClickUp account. In the top corner, click your profile icon and open Settings. From there, go to the App Center. Scroll down until you find the Time and Capacity option and open it. This is where you enable capacity tracking for the parts of your workspace that matter most. You'll see controls to choose how many spaces are enabled and to set the default hours per day. Enabling a space means ClickUp will calculate availability for the work inside that space. The hours per day setting defines the daily capacity baseline for your team members. For example, if you set 8 hours, the workload view will flag when assigned work exceeds that daily limit. Think of this page as the foundation. It tells ClickUp what to measure and where to measure it. Now let's apply this to your work. Navigate to a specific space where you want to review capacity. At the top of your views, click the plus icon to add a new view, then choose workload. Add the view and you'll see capacity bars appear for your team. These bars visualize how much time is assigned versus the available hours you set earlier. If tasks have time estimates and assignees, you'll get a clear, accurate picture. Over-allocated days will stand out, making it easy to rebalance assignments and timelines. As you explore the workload view, you'll notice options to adjust the time frame and what's included. That makes it simple to focus on this week, next sprint, or a custom period. You can also filter by specific people or lists to keep things relevant when you're planning. You can also bring capacity insights into a dashboard for an at-a-glance view. Click the Add View button again, choose Dashboard, and add a workload widget. This widget pulls the same capacity logic into a summary panel. Great for leadership updates or daily stand-ups. Configure the widget to point at the right spaces or lists, and set the time frame that matches your planning cycle. Keeping this on a dashboard helps you track trends over time without jumping between views. That's it. With time and capacity enabled, a workload view in your space and a workload widget on your dashboard, you'll have a reliable visual way to predict capacity and plan with confidence.